guys, welcome back to another art video with me, Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little bird finger puppets. All you do is pop them on and you can make them in loads of different designs. These are just some examples of ones I made today, and I'll show you some of the other ones I've made later. So to do this craft, all you'll need is a piece of paper. Now you can recycle paper. I've used up all my recycling paper, so I've just got some fresh sheets here today. You'll also need some coloured pens, any colours, any kind of pen, it doesn't really matter. You also might need some scissors. Now if you're using scissors, be really careful and remember to get an adult to help you if you're a little bit younger. So we'll jump straight in. So what you need first of all is take your rectangular piece of paper and you want to fold it in half, and all we're going to do is cut it in half down the middle. So I've folded it so it makes a little book, and I'm just going to quickly cut that down the middle. Oops. Doesn't need to be too neat, you just need to get two halves. Then all we're going to do is take one of the corners and fold it up to meet that line in the middle. You want to make sure this corner here is very pointy. You don't want any overlap, as this is us making a square piece of paper so that we can make our little bird. Okie dokie. You want to press along that fold and you should end up with something that looks like this. You've got a triangle and a little bit extra here. All you want to do is cut off this little extra piece. Now pop this to the side and save this for later. I might have another craft later on you can use it in. You don't want to waste any paper. So now you should be left with your little triangle. What you want to do is open it out so it's a flat square. Then you want to make a kite shape by folding these two sides in to meet the middle. I'll do it a little bit more neatly on the table and I'll show you. You want to make sure you keep the bottom nice and pointy, because that is what is going to help us make a good bird. So like you can see, there's our square. I've just turned it on its side and folded these two sides in. Then after you've done that, you're going to take your kite and fold it in half. So you'll have kind of what looks a bit like a paper airplane at the moment. Now you want to fold it in half. But you don't want to press all the way, you just want to give a little squeeze at the end so you'll be able to see where halfway is on your bird. Now this is going to get a little bit complicated to show, so I'll show you, I'll explain what to do and then I'll fold it and then I'll show you how I did it. So you want to find your halfway point and you want to fold a line from here to here, okay? So I'll do it and then I'll show you what I mean. A little bit fiddly even for me, so take your time while you're doing it. There's no rush. Okay, so let me show you this first fold. So remember we found halfway point, then you want to make a fold all the way down to here, like that, and keep that nice and pointy here. Okay, now what you want to do is this tail here, you want to fold it down over the back. So what you've done is you've wrapped it all the way around your bird. So you'll have a tail up here this time. You want to fold that down, and then it might be hard to see, but you should be able to tuck the little end in. Do you see here? And that is how you make your bird. You can put your finger in the bottom and that's it. So what I'll do is I'll show you again from the beginning how to do the last fold there. So what you do is fold it in half and give it a little squeeze, so you'll be able to find halfway. So there's my halfway point. Then what you want to do is fold from here to here, making sure it's nice and pointy because that's what's going to give you a good beak. I'm going to just refold mine a little bit. There we go. So make sure it's nice and pointed at the end. Then what you want to do is fold your tail up. So from down here, fold up. Then you'll be left with the tail up here. You want to fold that down. And then you'll be left with a little tail here. And all you want to do is tuck. I'll try to show you. Tuck that in. Tuck it in. There we go. Oh, it's terrible. There we go. The lighting in here is a little bit bright for the paper, but that's okay. So that is the back of your bird. So when you flip it round, it'll fit onto this finger if you want other people to see it. And now we're going to get to the fun part, which is decorating. So now I've made my bird. I'll show you a few different ones I've made. So I made this one earlier. Got the look of a toucan, so I've got the 3 stripes here and the black beak. I added an eye and 2 little eyelashes. I also made this bird, who's got a nice orange beak with a smile, and I've got some rainbow dots all the way down. I then made this wee guy, who's got a nice targety kind of thing on his back, and a nice smile. And the final one I made with a heart for an eye, and feathers all the way down with a stripy beak. So you can do whatever patterns you like on it. I'm just going to make a really quick one now. So I'm going to use yellow for the beak. And just colour it all in. Now you can take your time. I'm just doing this a bit quickly for the video. So you can take your time, and I would love to see what birds you make. So you should leave a comment below with a picture of any birds that you make. I would love to see all the designs that you guys come up with and how you're going to play with them. And one last stripe down here. There we go. And there is my bird. So, like I said before, why don't you show me some pictures of what birds you make in the comments below. Bye guys!